Good morning. It's currently -4 out, and I'm going to cold start my 2010 Vision with the 6.7 Cummins in it, unaided. My last company on a day like today, with the buses plugged in, they only got 2 to start. This company, we change out the fuel filters before the onset of winter and just do really good maintenance on the really cold mornings. We come in and fire them up to keep them going. So let's see how this starts. The wait to start light is taking a long time to go out today. There you have it, fired right up. First try, -4. Unaided, not plugged in. It's running pretty smooth too. I'm going to put it up on high idle in just a moment. Give a little time to warm up first. It's a cold one out. -4.